The next initiative is a bigger part of NPTEL. It is almost like a mainstream content that is now happening in NPTEL. So, this is the translation effort that we have been doing in the last couple of years. So, we have been doing this effort from about 2020 now, and we have completed about 20,000 hours of content totally across so many languages. So, you can see that 224 unique courses are translated into different sets of languages so far, and almost 20,000 hours of translated content is available on NPTEL website. And there is also work that is ongoing. We are adding more number of courses to this bucket to be translated, and we hope that much more will be delivered in this year, which is 2023 and 2024. The languages that we are looking to translate into are listed here also. There are 11 languages we are targeting, but the most popular is of course Hindi. We try to do most courses getting translated into Hindi, followed by of course Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, Kannada, Gujarati, Bengali and so on. So, if you all are faculty members in colleges and you teach any of the courses which is on our translation list, and you are very comfortable with your regional language, which is any of these 11, please do get in touch with the NPTEL office so that we can also check whether you are eligible as a translator, and we will assign work to you. So, we require a large pool of resources and manpower to do this translation effort, because the software that automatically do it are still not up to the mark, that they do not give you perfect translation. So, we get a first cut from the ML models that are being developed now, but we do need a human to actually check what is being translated, what is the output, make corrections on it and make it readable to the end user. So, for that we require technical trained manpower, which ideally can be the faculty in the colleges who teach these courses, who know the content in these courses, know the local language also, and will be able to help us in this translation effort. So, if you are interested, please reach out to the NPTEL office and we will assign work to you. So, where all can you find these translated content, right? How do you access the translated content? That is something that we also want to show you, because we have translated so much content, but whether the end users actually know where it is and how to access it is something that we are not sure about. Hence, here I would like to spend a few minutes to show you where this translated content can be accessed. So, there are a few places. The one is on YouTube. We have uploaded the translated content as subtitles, and you can change the subtitle language on the YouTube video. You can toggle between the various languages available and you can watch it there. That is the first part. The second part, YouTube is also bringing out a beta version currently. It is in beta currently, where you can upload audio tracks in different languages, and you can also toggle the audio tracks to listen to whatever audio you want. So, we can have dubbed videos now for NPTEL videos where the language is regional Indian languages.
Now let us see, we'll play around with it. If I write,
आप लोग सोच रहे होंगे कि अभी तक मैंने कोर्स के लिए किताबें नहीं बताई हैं. हम दोस्त
ಹೀಗಾಗಿ ಈ ರೀತಿ ನಾನು ಬರೆದಾಗ ಸಿಡಿ ಬರೆದು
எனவே மினிமம் பவருக்கு V என்னவாக இருக்கும்?
The third part, on the Swayam platform, below the video there is a box where the transcript is put in, and there you have a drop down language bar. If you change the language there, the language in which you see it inside the Swayam course also changes. The fourth part that you can actually find this content is on the NPTEL website. Below the video that you see inside any course, there is also a text transcript box. There too you can change the language and you can read the transcript in different Indian languages. We also have saved each of these translated versions as PDFs in various languages. We have put them together as books that you can download. Hence, say for example, we have books which are Introduction to Research in Marathi, Introduction to Research in Hindi, Introduction to Research in Tamil and so on. These are full-fledged books that we have done. We have put together all the lectures into one single PDF, we have indexed it with page numbers and so on, and you can download that and you can also view that. So, these are the places where you can find the different language translated content on either Swayam portal, on NPTEL portal or the YouTube videos. All these have it, and we would really request people using this content in local languages to give us some feedback on whether this is useful to you all, have you used it, what is the quality of the translation, so that we also know where we have to improve and what we have to do for the same. So, requesting you all to please give a feedback, check out the translated content and let us know whether it is useful for you or how to do it better.